Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log in to your JMJ mortgage account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your preferred web browser of your choice and then go to the URL box and type in jmj.servicingdivision.com and press enter. Soon after you do that, you will end up in the sign-in page for JMJ Financial. Go to the username tab and type in your username correct, associated with your account. On the next field, type in your password. If you don't remember your credentials during login in, get help by clicking on Forgot Your Password or Forgot Your Username and follow through the instructions. After filling in both of your username and password, click Login, and you will then be logged into your JMJ mortgage account. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.